Welcome to this free spiritual and physical protection course. This special 2-hour free webinar course is for those who are on a spiritual journey or those who are already working in the field of energy. If you are a dowser, a Reiki master, a professional intuitive, or you work as an energy healer, then this webinar is a must. In this free webinar, you are going to learn 5 things that every person working in the field of energy must know. Number 1, does the dark side exist? What is it? Do we need to protect ourselves when doing healing or intuitive work? Number 2, how do we know where exactly our intuitive information is coming from? Number 3, what's the difference between a balance worker and a light worker? And which one are you? Number 4, I will share with you the one thing you must do, which will set you apart from all other energy workers and help keep you and your clients safe. And number 5, I will share with you a simple cleansing technique that you can use daily or weekly or whenever you do energy work. Why did I decide to create this free webinar? Hi, my name is Cha Zhe, and as a Reiki master, metaphysician, and facilitator of dowsing courses, EFT courses, and intuitive development courses, and with over 30,000 students from more than 160 countries, one of the most frequently asked student questions is how to protect yourself and your clients during your healing sessions. Over the years, I've had so many students share with me their experiences when working with clients in the field of energy that I decided to create this 2-hour webinar and to make it available to anyone who is on their spiritual journey or working in the field of energy. This course is free. It is self-paced. You have immediate and lifetime access to the course material. If you are already a student of the Core Freedom Academy, simply log in and register for this free webinar course. If you are new to the Core Freedom Academy, simply create your free student account and register for this course. It's free. I will see you in class and enjoy.